What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. I'm just a guy on the internet expressing my point of view on this particular subject. Now, that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, let's get to it. First, we're gonna do like we usually do every day. I'm gonna show you how the market did. We're gonna check our trades. You can follow along, okay? Compare to see how your trades are doing. Compare with mine, or get the general information on how your trades are doing. Okay, if they're going down, they're going sideways, or everything. Okay, before we do that, it's very funny, guys. It's very funny. Yesterday I told you guys, do not long Ethereum yet. You had to wait. Those of you, myself personally, I told you I wasn't going to get into Ethereum trade. I told you, go watch my videos. And the reason is Ethereum with the ETF approved is the beginning of the end of Ethereum. It's simple. Coins that have proof of stake are very easy to manipulate. Like if you have a lot of money, you can either drop or raise the price of that asset. It's different from when you have proof of work coins like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, yes, they can still manipulate the price, but they can't do it that much unless they own like big mining farms that accounts for a lot of the hash power on the excuse me, I don't know why my phone keeps doing this. That accounts for a lot of hash power on the Bitcoin network. If they do have that kind of mining farm, then yes, they can even drop or raise the price of Bitcoin higher than they're doing right now. Right now, they can only move it a little bit, either up or down, just like you've been experiencing lately. But Ethereum is a different story. That's why I told you guys, you got two options. You can either wait for the price to go down. Look at your support levels. You can either wait for it to go down and enter your trade, or you could enter your trade right away, but scale it up. You need to scale it up. That way your liquidation point or your liquidation price goes way below. That way you will not get triggered. You will see red for a couple of days before it starts to trigger right back up. Now, I've been saying it for the longest. You need to do the opposite. Why people keep complaining their money is not going up, they are not moving up in life, they're not doing this. It's simple, because you are doing what 99% of the people is doing. That's why if you do the opposite, be the 1%, guys. You got to be that 1%, not the 99%. If everybody's running left, you need to run right. Like the example right a couple of weeks ago, what happened is what is repeating itself again. Everybody thinks Bitcoin is going to crash. Okay, everybody thinks so. Everybody thinks the prices on the market are going to go so low. That's why you see red in the market, because Ethereum is dumping. They think, oh yeah, the Ethereum ETF is going to drag, every price is down, everybody starts to dump. But instead, what you are supposed to do is the opposite. Okay, like I said, it's the opposite. Right now is the time for you to start accumulating on those coins. Like for example, Jasmy dropped all the way down to 2.7 cents. Now is the time you are supposed to start buying Jasmy. You need to scale up on your trades. Okay, look at, for example, let's talk about Quant. Quant, for example, Quant dropped down to $70. Now is the time you need to do the same. People think like, okay, look at the way Quant has been moving. Quant has been moving from the support and resistance. That's what has been happening. That's what Quant has been doing. Now, that is just the technical aspect of it. If you look at Quant, for example, okay, Quant has so much riding forward that those who are not paying attention are going to be the one FOMOing in when quant goes above $150. We have this month, probably this month or next one, we are going to have approval of a policy for stable coins. Project Rustling, Quant, they have already started advertising their overledger, what overledger could do for different economies. They are working on their CBDCs. You know, the connection between Quant, okay, and the banks. The connection between Quant and the banks, once that news comes out, guys, this is going to take Quant to $1,000 or $2,000 in record time. Quant is going to shoot up, and you don't have to look far, guys. In the next 2 to 3 months, you are going to look at Quant differently. And not only that, once the policy gets approved, we are going to have project gateways, which the government are approving the staking. Quant staking is going to, guys, they're going to be what we call supply shock. I keep repeating myself on this. And guys, you have to be ready for it. Now is the time. The market is bleeding, yes, but now is the time. Because again, just like it happened last time, I was telling you guys, get in. And people kept looking at, okay, market is bleeding. I'm going to wait. I'm going to sit outside. What happened later than that? A week later or a couple days later, it bounced. Same goes to Casper. Okay, same goes to Casper. Casper, in my opinion, guys, is going to take over Ethereum. Once we get these smart contracts launched, you saw a little glimpse of it. Once they put a smart contract on the last time, Casper had more volume than Ethereum, Solana combined. Casper had more volume, and if they would have had it running for a couple more hours, we would have had more transaction volume than the entire crypto market combined. That tells you one thing. Casper, guys, is going to take over Ethereum, and possibly not this run, probably the run after this one, we are going to be looking at Bitcoin face to face. And that's what I'm telling you guys. It's a one-time live opportunity. You can take advantage of it, or if you don't want, you can sit on the sideline and watch. Excuse me. You can sit on the sidelines and watch. But this is what is happening right now. Don't FOMO. Don't follow all the people who are selling their coins because the market is getting red. And that's another thing. You got to realize this. There's a proverb that my grandfather usually said, a river crafts its way slowly. It's a simple theory. You see a big river, it doesn't go through the mountain like in a straight shot. Slowly until that mountain get curves, and you see how the river goes through. And there's another one, they say Rome wasn't built in one day. If you really pay attention to those kind of things, you will understand what I'm talking about. Casper, this run, I keep maintaining it. $10 is very easily attainable. $10 this run. Wait until those smart contracts come out and you will understand what I'm talking about. Quant, $3,000 is very easy attainable. Wait until the news start coming out. And I'm telling you, Uncle Sam and all these governments, they don't want to miss out. They don't want to miss out. They have a very good gig with this banking system that they don't want to close or miss out. And that is how they are going to make their money. And you need to look at it this way too. Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and all of them, compared to Casper, technologically wise, Casper has more advantage on everything. That is why you're starting to see all these Marathon Digital, all these Black Rocks. You have Bitcoin OGs, Da Vinci J15, what you call him, Michael Kruger, all of them, Michael Saylor, they have all started to move into Casper slowly, very slow. Because these are the guys, these are people that have experience in this crypto world, and they already know sooner or later the world is going to realize that Bitcoin is not all that, all this hype around Bitcoin is not worth it. Because what's the use case of Bitcoin? Be honest, what's the use case? Now compared to Casper. Casper can do everything that Bitcoin does and even more. That's why I tell you guys, Casper is still on testnet. It's still on testnet. There's still no grandpa and grandma exchanges, no smart contracts, no stable coins. Nothing is done yet on Casper. Wait until all those things start to come out. You are about to realize that this right now is a one-time life opportunity. Wait until you see that Quant on its own, all this M-Bridge, which has already started, is about to start picking up steam. Transaction of money going left and right, not XRP, guys. XRP is going to be your exit liquidity. That's how people are going to make money from you. Not XRP, not XLM. All those coins, they are all on Quant over Ledger. And go research it and you're about to see it. Like I said, you have to open your eyes, guys. You open your eyes. Go the opposite way. Everybody is running away from the market because it looks red. Now is when we get excited. We get excited and we scale up our positions. We do. You just have to be smart about it. If you're going to open a long, look at the market. Okay, you got two options. You can watch those the RSIs, the MACDs, and everything else on a higher time frame first before going to the lower time frame. Before going down to the lower time, watch what the higher time frame is telling you. If you open up a trade, scale it up. Scale it up, that way you won't get stopped out or you won't get liquidated. You scale it up. That's how simple that works. Okay, the same. I'm telling you guys, or if you want to just buy them on spot, things like Quant and Casper, they are going to make you a lot of money. And now that the price drop is a discount, instead of dumping your bag, buy some more. Do the opposite of what everybody's doing. But anyway, that is what I wanted to tell you guys. And if you're going to do that, you need one of these. Okay, one of these, Tangent. Store your cryptos into your Tangent wallet. I told you guys about that yesterday. Please go back and watch my video for yesterday. I explain in details why you need to buy one of this, at least 3 of them, because you need 3 of them for different reasons. You don't want to keep all your money in one. But anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's check how the market is performing on the past 24 hours. Also look at our trades to see how they are performing, and also price in more details. To do that, let's look at the crypto bubbles first. Let's get here. Crypto bubbles right there. Okay, as you can see, the past 1 hour, the whole market except for a few are all in red. Okay, let's go in details right quick. In details where we see the coins that we are dealing with. First with King Casper. Here, Casper. On the hourly, Casper is up 0.2%. On the day, we are up 0.6%, 2.1% down on the week, and 15% up on the month. Okay, now let's look at next one, which is Jasmine, JAS. On Jasmine, on the past hour, we are up 0.5%, 6% down on the day, 10.5% down on the week, and 14.5% down on the month. Now let's look at Quant, QNT. Quant on the past hour, we're down 0.3%, 1.5% down on the daily, 1.5% down on the daily, 9% down on the week. But like I told you guys, pay attention on the bigger time frame. 28% down on the year. This number has been dropping steadily. The same goes by the monthly, 4.3% down. So this thing has been dropping. It's like when you look at all these numbers, it tells you that first of all, this coin has been dropping, has been like kind of leveling out. That's what it's been doing. So we are about to see the parabolic move start with this how you say it, with the quant that everybody keep thinking we're going back down to 40. But now, guys, this move is already been written in and it's getting ready to fly up. Now, you can, another thing I kind of discovered today, which I will show you sometime on this video, is the Bitcoin Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, I think the all season is about to start. But anyways, let's go look on my trading view and check on the price in more details. Let's go right there. Look on trading view, which is right here. We're starting with Casper. Casper already starting to make the move. If you check my videos, like I told you guys yesterday, okay, let's close this. Like I told you guys yesterday, see here, we came down, bounced on the support, okay, on the support, because that was a double support right here, this lower line of the triangle and this Fibonacci retracement line. Casper bounced on here and took off. Like again, I told you guys, pay attention to the ribbon. See how the ribbon was curving. That's why I told you guys it was curving and this price wasn't going lower. It's just going to follow the ribbon. See the price on the 1 hour, it came above the ribbon, bounce on the ribbon. Now we are above the moving average. Now we are having resistance on the top of the triangle. Okay, if you zoom out, if you zoom out, okay, you can see this triangle is almost over with. We are getting closer and closer to the apex of this triangle. Now let's go to the 4 hourly. On the 4 hour, you can even see it more and more clearer. Okay, this triangle, let me extend this line just a little bit. There you go. Okay, let me grab my arrow. See, price came back, touch the bottom of the triangle, the support, and we have this triangle of the Fibonacci retracement. So guys, this thing is not going lower. Look at that, we bounced and now we are fighting a resistance. Okay, we are fighting the resistance. Now probability that, yeah, we can come back down to retest the base of the triangle again before taking off. But to me, I think like we're gonna see a major move sometime, probably Wednesday. That's what we're about to see. That if this price breaks above this, it's going to come back down, use this as support, and then take off from there. So from there, we're looking at prices of the probably 19-20 cents, because this thing Casper is getting ready, guys. It's getting ready to go. A lot of people are noticing the migration is almost complete, and plus you already have the smart contracts that are almost here in the next month of August. So this thing is getting ready to do its thing. If you look on the daily, come on, excuse me. Look on the daily. Look on the daily right here. I'm gonna zoom out, move it out this way a little bit. The daily even shows it clearly. Okay, very clear. Look at that. It came, touch the bottom. Now we're having another one, probably gonna come back again, touch this the moving upwards, the rising of the triangle, before going to take trying to break above the triangle. So everything is moving according to plan with Casper. Okay, now let's go look at quant QNT. I like Binance. Again, everything is supporting the price the way it's supposed to. Okay, let's take the arrow. I told you guys what quant is looking to form right now. It looks like an inverse head and shoulder. That's the first shoulder, this is the head, and now we are forming the second shoulder. Price came right back up, touched the support, and now we see it. So I'm expecting quant to reverse up here from the second shoulder, and the target for all this move, you can see, is all the way up here at $95. $95, we're looking to turn this moving average into support. Now if we go down into the 4 hourly, let's see, 4 hourly, there, as you can see, price came, touched the support, and now we're forming a green candle. I'm expecting this ribbon to start turning upsidewards for the price to go use that as support and then go above the moving average. Okay, so yeah, that is what is happening right now. I don't panic. I'm not panicking about it because I know quant is gearing up for something very, very big. So guys, all this you're looking at right now, let me go on the weekly right quick. Or first of all, let's check on the 1 hour. See, 1 hour is already doing it. See the ribbon? Looks like it's already curving, because price, as you can see, we've already turned into green candles. So I'm expecting this to move up. Okay, do the same. Try to go above the moving average, 200 moving average, so that we can start climbing higher. Now, all this you're looking at, okay, all this you're looking at comes back from here. This is the whole purpose of this price action. The main resistance at the 125 thereabout. As you can see, we're looking to turn this week green, and then we'll start moving upwards at the 125. That is the first major resistance we got. But before that, we have some resistance at 104 and 120. So thereabout, you should be getting ready for this, guys. You should be getting ready. I know I'm already in my trades. I don't know about you, but I am getting ready for this. This is coming. Like I usually say, round 3, money. That's what is happening right now. So if you look at it this way, people were talking about double top, and I'm telling you guys, this is not going lower than this. It's not going to go to $40, guys. Do not miss the opportunity. So now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. If you go here, Jasmine, JASMY, JAS on Binance. These guys that had them on innovation ground. Okay, this is the 1 week on the weekly time frame. You see that? I told you guys, this line has been support and resistance since January, February. That's what this line has been, support and resistance. Jasmine came all the way back down for the second week in a row. You can see Jasmine respecting it. We have this ascending triangle being formed, okay, between the 3.8 cents. So that is the first resistance. We need to go above 3.3 first. If Jasmine can form support above 3.3, yeah, we are about to go break that resistance at 3.3 and ultimately go test the 5 cents. 5 cents is a little resistance that is on the chart. So let's go a little bit on the 1 hourly. Okay, like I said, everything that is on Ethereum chain is gonna feel the burn when this Ethereum ETF comes on. So as you can see, Ethereum went down, Jasmine also went down, but this price correction should be coming over right now. Should be over, because we are sitting at this important level of 2.7, 2.6 cents, depends on how you draw your line. So let's look at the 4 hour right quick. See that? That's what I'm telling you guys. This was a little shakeout. This was just a little shakeout, because Jasmine is about to start going up to try to reclaim that 3.2, 3.3 cents. That's where we're about to go. So if you look at the one daily, oh sorry, I'm not trying to get on the daily right quick. Okay, on the daily, I want to zoom this way. Jasmine here is forming an inverse head and shoulder, which you guys already know. Inverse head and shoulders, they are very bullish signals. This goes right here. Okay, they are very bullish signals. Okay, you see this? That was the first shoulder. This is the head. Second shoulder, we are looking to try to form above it. So this line, let me take this line right quick. Right there. Right there. That makes it a little bit. I'm on my phone, so I can't do it right. But anyways, you get an idea of what I'm going with this. So Jasmine, we need to break above that 3.2. Once we break above it, this thing is taking us to 5 cents, because the first shoulder was formed, the head is forming, the second shoulder is what we are looking to form right here. You need to have a breakout above 3.2, 3.3, and let it take us up. And now, how do we know that? If you draw a trend line, okay, from the lowest point of this to the highest point where potential breakout will be, which is around there. Okay, now you drag it, put it on the breakout point. You should be able to see it clearly. See, it takes up above 5 cents. That's what we are looking at right now. 5 cents, 5.5 cents. So guys, this is an opportunity. You can take this to your advantage, fully advantage. Okay, so now let's go look at my positions right quick. Like I said, I'm always transparent with you guys. I show you everything I do, when I do, and if I do. So again, I do not condone leverage trading. If you do not know how to leverage trade, please stay away from it. Just buy your coins on spot, and that way you can also watch them grow normally. Okay, so let's go to my Bydfi first. Okay, the links are below. Sign up, get the bonuses, and grow your accounts. That's free money, guys. Free money. But anyways, let's go to my Bydfi first. Okay, Bydfi right here. Let me load up for us. There you go. Bydfi, you can see my overall is down to $25,000. Okay, overall down to $25,000. Again, we are still chugging along. It's still going sideways because my overall goes from 23 to 28, sometimes $30,000, then back down to 23,000. This is what shows me like is that the market is going sideways. Okay, if you go look at the contracts, look at the contracts here. Wow, quant is down $73. Okay, you can look at the contracts. My Jasmine contract is still up 59%, which is 1,900. My quant still up 27%, which is 1,300. Now the big guy, which is Casper, okay, Casper right here, I am still up 76%. Actually came back up. I was down this morning, but it came back up to 76%, which is 6,200. Okay, these are coins. These are positions I plan to keep open to the top of the bull run or as close to the top as possible. Now look at the short-term positions, which are on my Phemex. Let me sign in here. Okay, my overall, yeah, it came down. Like I said, everything on Ethereum is going to follow Ethereum. It came down. I'm still up 9,500, which is still not bad. If you look at my contracts, okay, contracts, my Jasmine came significantly down at 147. I was up 230%, but I'm still up 147%, which is 2,400. And my Casper is still up 17%, which is $760, $67. Now you have to look at support and resistance. Like for example, Jasmine, I'm telling you guys, once that move breaks, we are going to 5 cents, 0.05. That will make me $12,000. That's I'm looking forward for this to see what the market is going to do, if it is going to keep pumping or if it is just going to be a major resistance there. If there's a major resistance, guys, I'm going to take up some profit, probably 30% or something like that, and let the rest ride. But if it is still going up, our next point of resistance is at 9 to 10 cents, because that's the target for the bull flag that we are forming on the weekly. Okay, at 10 cents I have $33,000, and I'll do the same. Either see if it is still going up or if the market correcting, and we can't really tell. So at here I'm gonna also do the same, probably take profits or let it ride. Next resistance is going to be at 12 cents. 12 cents we'll have $41,000, and we will do the same, evaluate the market or take profit. And now guys, the ultimate resistance is here at 20 cents. I've said it so many times, 20 cents. If price runs, I think it's probably going to run to 25 cents, no more than that. After that, I think we're going to have a major correction at 25 cents. Okay, so here is what I'm going to be looking at my my trades, both the short terms and long term. If I didn't take any profit along here, I'm going to take probably 70% of my profits on my short term trades, which will be as you can see, I will have $75,000, or if I let it ride to right to 25 cents, that would be around $96,000. Here I am going to take major profits on this trade. Again, guys, that's how you make money on this market. The same thing goes to Casper. I already showed you guys. Casper is going to be on price discovery, but you got to look at 30 cents, okay? 30 cents, because like a lot of people will be in profit, and people will start to try to take profits out of there. That will make me 7 grand. Maybe not so much, but yeah, I think I will take profits out of there. Or you can also wait another point that I'm telling you guys. With the listing on the smart contracts, we can even get Casper up to 80 cents, which will make me $36,000, or even a dollar at $48,000. Here, definitely I am going to take profits. I will take profits if I don't take them before this. But anyways, now you've got to look at things the way they are. The market is reacting based on emotion. That's what is happening. A lot of people are reacting based on the Ethereum ETFs. You do not want to do that, guys. You don't want to. I showed you guys yesterday. I did show you guys yesterday the liquidation map. Go and look at it and you will see. You can get a lot of information based on that liquidation map only. I'm telling you guys, go look at the RSI. The RSI is already resetting on all these coins that we are trading on. So guys, there's a lot of money to be made. Do not be left behind. Don't do the same like everybody. You got to do the opposite of everybody. That's what you got to do if you want to make money in this market. Okay, that being said, let's check right quick let's check right quick on the migration, because something I needed to see how much we need to let's try to reset this. Okay, and we go back. How much is it? 5.9%. Yeah, it's almost done, guys. It's almost done. So yeah, thank you for checking out my videos, guys. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you for checking out. Subscribe, share these videos. Also, please comment. I read all your comments and I'll try to respond to all of them. So again, thank you, and until I see you again, please be safe out there. Bye bye.